Hey folks, it's Bobby. We're here at ISTE in New Orleans. I've got my friend, I.F. Pearson, the other guy with me. We're gonna walk the show floor. We're gonna have some conversations with people. Come along with us. Well, let's see, where's the button? The button where we get a code. Oh.
It was working a minute ago.
It didn't work. It's still not working.
Gotta read the user manual again.
With Smart, you get 40 points of touch.
40 points? Why would you want 40 fingers? Okay, whoa. One person at a time.
What's the problem? What's the problem?
Okay, one person at a time. I'll try and share something with you. Here.
Oh. Can we share? You're not getting it.
I'm not getting it.
Hey guys, do you like interactive flat panels? Go ahead. You can access the world.
I think it did. Collaboration.
Stop using science words, Bobby.
If you have to do a lot of things, it's a lot of work. But when you make things as simple as we do, it's not a lot of work, and it's a lot of reward. Lots of people having conversations at ISTE. You can see them behind us.
What's wrong with my screen? Can't figure out what it is. I just can't put my finger on it. You know, I have IFP friends all over the world, even in Egypt. He's a pyramid screen.
Oh, the other guys.